morning, students. Hope you all are fine. As you already know that we have completed up to lesson number 8 of your English reader book. So today I am starting your grammar portion and taking the lesson number 1 of your grammar book, use of articles. So what is articles? The words a and the are called articles. The words a and the are called articles. Okay. So how many types of articles are there? Two types of articles are there. Okay. One is definite articles and second is indefinite articles. Under definite articles, the we used, and under indefinite articles we use a and an. Okay. So a and the are used before a noun. A and the are used before a noun. Okay. So today we will learn about articles a and an only. And the definite article the I will explain in the next video. Okay, student? So, a, where we used a. A is used with singular noun that begins with a consonant sound or letter. So, where a is used with singular noun that begins with a consonant sound or letter. And where an is used with singular noun that begins with a vowel sound or letter. So what is the common thing between both of them? Both a and an is used with singular noun, but a is used when consonant sound is coming and an is used when vowel sound is coming. So I underline on both on consonant sound and vowel sound, not on the letter. So what you have to do, you have to give more focus on the sound. Okay, not on the first letter of the word. Okay. Now, first we learn what is consonant and what is vowel. So you know there are 26 letters of English alphabet and I have written here, and the colorful, the red one, A, E, I, O, U is your vowel and the rest of it is your consonant. The same that is in your Hindi also. A, E, I, O, U, A, I, U, U. This is your swar bend, swar, okay? And here also A, E, I, O, U is your vowel in English. And Ka, Kha, Ga is your vyanjan in Hindi. And same here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. All these letters are your consonant. So vowel means swar and consonant means vyanjan. Okay. Now see, both a and an is used before singular countable noun, means one object, one thing, one person, etc. When we are talking about any one thing, okay, any one object, any one person, so we use a or an there, not more than one. Okay. See the example. A boy. How many boy? Only one boy. An orange. How many orange? Only one orange. A man. How many man? Only one man. An eagle. How many eagle? Only one eagle. A girl. How many girl? Only one girl. A cat. How many cat? Only one cat. An umbrella. How many umbrella are there? Only one umbrella. We not say a boys, a oranges, a mans, and eagles, a girls, a cats, and umbrellas. We not say. Okay. So when we are talking about one person, one thing, we use a and an there. Okay. Now, points to be remembered while using a and an. A is used with a word starting with vowel letter but has a consonant sound. So you have to keep this in your mind. Okay. So where we use, if you see the word and the first letter is a vowel letter, so don't simply put A there. You have to pronounce it. What sound is coming? University. A. Unit. A. Union. So all these words starting with vowel letter U, but sounds U means consonant letter Y. So we use A here. Okay. So university starting with vowel letter but sounding is U means the consonant letter Y. So that is why we put A here. Okay. The second point. An is used with a word starting with consonant letter but has a vowel sound. So an is used with a starting with a consonant letter. If some word starting with consonant letter, but what sound is coming? Vowel sound is coming. So you simply put an here. Okay. Now see the example. An hour, an honest man, an honor, an hour, hour. Okay. So all these words starting with letter H. H is a consonant. But what sound is coming? Hour, honor, honest. The O sound is coming. So here H is silent. Okay. And we are pronouncing, when we are pronouncing, what sound is coming? O sound is coming. So that is why we put an here. Okay. Now come to the third point. A and an is used when we are talking about a noun for the first time or talking about general or common things. So जब हम कुछ साधारण वाक्य बोलते हैं या हम पहली बार उस नाउन के बारे में, उस संज्ञा के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब हम a और an का यूज करते हैं. Okay, so a and an is used when we are talking about a noun for the first time or talking about general or common thing. Okay, now see the example. A boy is crossing the road. So who is that boy? Okay, what is the age of that boy? What he is wearing? Where he is going? We are not giving any details of that boy. Simply saying the sentence. A boy is crossing the road. I bought an umbrella. तो कैसा umbrella था? किस कलर का था? छोटा था, बड़ा था, महंगा था, सस्ता था? We are not talking about that. Simply saying the sentence. I bought an umbrella. Okay. Give me a pen. What kind of pen? Blue, black, or which brand of that pen? Okay. I eat an apple. He is an honest man. It is a book. So all this sentence is a common. In a common way when we are saying something or when we are talking about a noun for the first time or when we are talking about a general things or common thing. Okay. Now come to the point number 4. Keep focus on the pronunciation of the word, not on the first letter of the word. So I already told you, if you see the word where you have to use the a or an, what you have to see? You have to pay attention on the sound. What sound is coming after pronouncing it? Don't simply say the first letter and put a or an there. So keep focus on pronunciation of the word, not on the first letter of the word. पहले लेटर को देख के ही आप ए और एन का यूज नहीं करेंगे. आप पहले उसको प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, बोलेंगे और बोलने के बाद क्या साउंड आ रहा है, क्या वो कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर का साउंड आ रहा है या वाउल लेटर का साउंड आ रहा है, और उसको देखते हुए you use a and an there. Okay, so keep focus on pronunciation of the word, not on the first letter of the word. Means when we are pronouncing any word, what sound is coming? Consonant or vowel. Okay, now see the example. An MLA, mean the full meaning of MLA, is Minister of Legislative Assembly in the Parliament. Okay, so and what is the full form of MA? Master in Arts. So when we are using this MLA or MA, what sound is coming? M is a consonant letter. Okay, M is a consonant letter, but what sound is coming? A, M, L, A. A, M, L, A. A sound is coming. In MA also, A sound is coming. So we put and here. A 1 rupee note, V sound is coming. So V is not in the vowel sound. Okay. Okay. So we put A here. A table, ta sound is coming. Means the consonant sound is coming in 1 rupee note and a table. So that is why we put A here. Okay. Now come to the fifth point. A and an is used before singular countable noun. That we already know when we are talking about one thing, one object, one place, one person, we use A or an there. So A is used before words beginning with consonant sound. So if the sound is coming like a consonant, so we put A there. A tall man, a table, a cat. Tall man, table, cat. So all these your consonant means Vyanjan. So that is why we put A here. Only A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All other letters are consonant. Yes, we already know. Okay, now come to this part. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the letters are consonant. Yes. Okay, now see here, an ice cream, an igloo, an apple. Okay, so ice cream. I is vowel letter and sounding also vowel. Okay, an igloo, an apple. So that is why we put an here because vowel sound is coming and vowel letter is already there. Now, an is used with words beginning with sound of vowel. Yes, when vowel sound is coming, we simply put an there. Now see, an R, an honest man. Here H is silent and start with sound of O. So that is why we put an here. A human start with sound of H. So that is why we put A here. A one-day match. O is pronounced like a V. So that is why we put A here. A university. So U is there means consonant sound is coming. So that is why we put A here. An umbrella. So U is pronounced as A like a vowel. So we put an here. Hope you will understand this articles A and there and where you have to use and what is the points you have to remember. You have to all these points you have to learn and understand it, and I will explain the definite article in the next video, and after that I will give the PDF of use of articles of lesson number 1, use of articles, after that when I complete the definite article the. Okay students, hope you will understand all the rules, all the what types of articles are there. Okay.